Act like you're going to give him a kiss. The butterfly a kiss. Give the butterfly a kiss.
But he might tickle.
He might tickle your nose?
Yeah, and I'll sneeze on him.
You'll sneeze on the butterfly?
Yeah, and I'll give him a cold. Isn't that sweet?
It is sweet. Let me get a picture of him. Put him down. Very pretty. What do you think of that? Oh. You did sneeze on the butterfly. You weren't kidding. You said you might sneeze on him. Does he tickle?
Yeah.
Does he tickle?
Yeah, get off me.
Okay, hold still. He's climbing up your arm, isn't he? Let's put him on your... Oh, there he goes. He just flew away up over the house. Tap. Oh, that was a big tap.